In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Docs and start creating your own documents seamlessly. Let's get started by firing up your preferred web browser and heading over to docs.google.com. Once you've reached the website, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Rest assured, this step is quite straightforward, ensuring complete privacy and security for your documents. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main Google Docs page. Here, you're presented with various options to start your document creation process. For a blank slate where you can pour out your thoughts freely, locate and click on the plus blank button, which is easily recognizable by the plus sign next to it. However, if you're looking for more structure or guidance, Google offers a diverse range of template sites that might suit your needs better, such as templates for resumes, reports, or letters. This can be immensely helpful if you're not sure how to format the document you're working on. Now, with your new or templated document open, it's time to move on to the fun part: typing your content. Google's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate, allowing you to write directly into the blank space of your document. As you begin typing, you'll notice that Google Docs automatically saves your work continuously. This auto-save feature is a lifesaver, especially if you're someone who tends to forget to hit the save button, as it ensures your progress is never lost or compromised, even if you accidentally close the browser tab or lose your internet connection. At this point, your journey with Google Docs is just beginning. As you type, keep in mind that Google Docs offers additional features to enhance your writing experiences, such as formatting tools, spell check, and even collaborative editing, which allows you to share the document with others and work together in real time. These features make Google Docs not only a powerful tool for drafting documents, but also an essential platform for collaboration and communication. Congratulations, you've successfully opened Google Docs and started a new document. This is just the beginning of what you can achieve. Whether it's drafting an essential report, putting together a compelling resume, or writing that story you've always wanted to share. Remember to explore the platform's rich features to maximize your productivity and creativity. With these simple steps, you can now confidently create documents online anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, happy writing, and until next time, take care.